Hey guys, welcome back to Startup Yourself. And as always, we're back with another video. But before we go forward, I know there are many new viewers who are watching our channel, and it might be new for them. So I'd love it if you guys could simply spare a moment and ring the bell icon just below the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Well, I guess we should start the video now, right? And today's topic is best ways to maximize your investment returns. We all know that whomever invests in any field wishes to have a maximum in returns without any loss. But we also know that science tells us that no system could have 100% efficiency. But yeah, we could hope for the best, and the best is always maximum. Well, in this video, we'll be discussing some ways to maximize our investment returns. I hope this helps the young entrepreneurs among you who are just about to start or have started investing in some businesses. Anyways, here's our list on how to maximize your investments, so please watch till the end as some of these might shock you. Also, comment down below some of your investment ideas as we'd love to hear them. Number 10, be consistent. Consistency is the key to evolve your investments to its best, but don't be hasty and don't lose control over yourself. You can't get rich overnight. You need to be patient, consistent, and a person who waits for the best and doesn't lose hope. Number 9, invest regularly. By one investment, you are not going to maximize your return. You need to invest regularly and try to increase your investment with a regular interval that will help in boosting your return value. Number 8, risk assessment. Assessments of all levels of threat and risks that could be faced by your investment and add them in your routine checklist is important. Assessing them after a regular interval and seeing if they are minimized or maximized is something you should always do. Number 7, risk management. When you assess the level of risk you are going to face, then comes the point where you decide how you're going to manage that threat. If in case it rises to a dangerous level, you must develop some plan or tactics to control that risk. Number 6, partners. With more people and more investment, it takes less time to get maximum output. So try to keep your number of partners maximum so you can get maximum investments and maximum returns. Number 5, type of investment. Well, people, this is the most important part you all must know, that there are several types of investments. Some may go towards a decline and some may go towards upside. So it's important to check recent trends before investing in any business. You need to know where the slope of the business is going, and a smart business person always goes for the positive side. Number 4, public relations. You all must be familiar with public relations, and it's not a new thing that more a person can present to others, the more he wins the hearts of the public. So if we come to the point of public relations, it acts as a very productive part in maximizing your investment. And the more public you win, the more your investment and return will grow and bloom. So try to keep a tongue dipped in honey always. Number 3, mode of investment. Nowadays, the most common investments our public is going for is mostly cryptocurrency, where you can do online marketing and stuff like this to build up your profile, and then boom. Once you're set, your profit goes boom, and we can see many people doing this and meeting their expenses on their own. This is very interesting. Even aside from the typical investment scene, this seems something new and unique that could be tried easily by anyone. And believe me, it's so real and not a scam. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are some of the platforms which provide this opportunity anyone can simply try. Number 2, planning. Whatever thing you're going to do requires you to be calm, relaxed, and a proper plan to execute the task. Without a plan or without mutual understanding between partners, no plan can be executed, and the same is the case here. Without collaboration between two partners, it's impossible to develop business harmony between them, and it could result in business or investment falling. So, if we're to get maximum returns, try to keep your partners happy. Number 1, hope. We need to know that what we are performing never goes fruitless from God. Maybe we can't get it now, but we may get it sometime in the future. Wise people have said, hope for the best, but be prepared for the worst. So at all times, keep on hoping that your business and investment is going to bloom one day, and it will keep on blooming. Your positive approach will help you very much in fighting stress over your business and investments. So guys, with this was how I summed up the topic of maximizing your investment returns. I hope this all gets into your heads, and I hope you all enjoy and got valuable information from it. Oh, and yeah, one more last thing. There's a thumbs up button below the video screen, so if you enjoyed this video, press that thumbs up button to give me some appreciation. And with that, we'll see you in the next video.